job na mga snack. Nakimubakal tayo. Bubakal tayo. Mac Ray, siyempre. Ang galing ng bola. Magsubok tayo. Team A and Team B. Sino Team B? O, come on. Atras tayo kaya. Atras. Bubakal tayo. Team A kayo. Sige, Team A kayo. Siyempre kayo ang winner. Okay, bubakal tayo tayo, kids. Yan, deeper tayo para may mas malaki yung team ni Ate Russell. On your mark, okay, smallest to biggest tayo, kids.
Hoy, kasali ako ha, kasali ako. Nakasali, sino ka ba?
Okay, bubakal tayo, team ni Ate Russell.
Ano naman?
Okay, mga example si Ate Russell and Ate Janice kung paano gawin ang net race. Okay, before sa syempre, get inside the net. Yan, takbo po tayo. Then, pass the net, okay? Then after nun, go at the back, okay kids?
Una tayo, matagal pa yun.
Okay, parang galing ang mga kids natin. Okay, Team A, ang team ni Ate Russell.
Ako po yung
Okay,
leader.
kailangan tinutulong ng mga kids.
Ako president dito.
Team ni Ate Russell, are you ready?
Ate, mas president.
Ako, mahina. Okay, Team A, are you ready?
Wait, ano na?
Tabak, kuya, ate. Tabak sa likod. Punta kayo sa likod. Yan, very good na mamakit sa akin. Come on, kids. Jump. Yan, okay, come on, kids. Si kuya, slowly yung jump niya. Big jump mo, kuya. Come on. Yan, takbo ka na lang, kuya. Yan, okay, come on, kids. Move fast. Yan, okay. Ilan na yung kay team ni Ate Janice? Galing naman ni Chloe, ah. Okay, pass the net, kids. Okay, kuya, go up the back. Go up the back. Yan. Okay, ilan na lang sa'yo, Ate Janice and Ate Russell. Come on, kids, move fast, okay. Falling line again, kids. Sa mga done na po, sa mga tapos na, falling line. Wow, okay. And we have a winner, ang team ni Ate Janice and Team B. Okay, good job na mamakits natin. But don't worry, kids, we have a win match. Siyempre, meron tayo round 2, babawi tayo. Ang team ni Ate Russell, ang team A, ha? Kailangan natin bumawi, okay? Okay ba yung kids? Then, calling in again. Calling line. So, calling in po tayo. Inay. Okay, wait lang, sweet. Nanguna na si kuya. Nagpa-practice. Takbo ka, kuya. Takbo ka na mabilis, ha? Huwag ganyan. Okay, kids, calling line natin. Strategy tayo, kids. One, go! Come on, kids! Run! Yeah, good job, kids! On the run, straight! Yeah, pass the hook. Pass the net, okay? Move fast ang team ni Ate Russell. Pagkabinsan, okay? Takbo na, kuya! Yan, okay? Good job naman kids natin. Then, pass the net. But don't worry, kids, ha? Kay kids yun na lahat kayo ay winner. And falling line tayo, kids. Team A and Team B, falling line. Falling line po tayo, kids. Okay, kids. Dahil winner ang team ni Ate Janice, team ni Ate Russell, okay, let's give them a 5 claps and say good job, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, kids. And let's give them a 3 claps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and good job. Dahil dyan, kids, bago tayo bigyan ni Ate Janice and Ate Russell ng giveaway, sasayaw po muna tayo ng picture ngayon. Sasaya po tayo ng Love is a Treasure, ang favorite dance ni Rana. Okay, kids, hands up. Then hands down, kids. Okay, jump and march. Side then march again, kids. Then clap. Up and jump. Alright, kids. Galing ni Ate Janice. And shake your hands. Shake your hands.